These are my files. Now what we need to do is, you should have WinRAR or 7-zip installed first. Right now, then just select a file, right click, WinRAR, add to archive, add to 1.1.rar. This will create a RAR file with name 1, or you can use 7-zip. 7-zip, add to archive. First I will show you how to do it with 7-zip. Select the archive format, name, compression level, compression method. If you are new to this compression, then just go with default settings. Okay, this has created a compressed file with 1.txt. You can do with multiple files too. Right click, WinRAR, add to archive, same thing, select and OK. 1.rar. It has created a zip file. Basically it's RAR file, compressed file. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.